Here I have Moto X4, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation, and let me show you how to bypass pattern, password or other screen lock method, including the fingerprint on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume down. Let me release all keys as soon as the following menu pops up. This is the bootloader and also the fast boot and the flash mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. So let's scroll down to choose recovery mode and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is booting into recovery mode, so you have to wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, the Android no command logo pops up, so here you have to start holding the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. That's it, this is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power button. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe data factory reset right here and press power key to confirm it. Then you have to decide either you would like to erase user data only or user data plus personalized content. In my case, let me accomplish the full reset, so user data plus personalized content, press power key to confirm it, and the device is performing the factory reset operation. And as soon as Android recovery pops up, let's just press power key to reboot system now. Let me do it. The device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up on the screen, and as you can see, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.